The Pelikan Raden Green Ray is the latest limited edition release of Pelikan. The Raden series is so stunning because of the contamination between German industrialization and Japanese craftsmanship. Limited to only 400 pieces worldwide, this edition is a stunner because of the large pinstripe Abalona Raden inlays that give an astonishing rainbow effect. The Green Ray has been handmade by the Japanese Urushi Artist Hoshukai, which has carefully created each single of the 400 pieces. This M1000 sized edition is fitted with the well-known 18-karat gold Pelikan nib and features a piston filling mechanism.